Hey, I'm Kaylee, a team member at Informatics. My job is heavily focused on working with data and analytics, whether that's setting up data tracking or interpreting results. In this 4-part series, I'll be walking you through Google's latest analytics platform, GA4. We'll be introducing you to the new features and highlighting key differences between this platform and Google's previous analytics platform, Universal Analytics. In this first video, we're exploring the admin section. We'll walk you through where to find the following: account management, configuration setup, and product linking. We'll first go over the admin section, which is found here at the bottom sidebar. When setting up your account, your first move will likely be to tell GA4 where you want to start collecting data. In Universal Analytics, you'd enter your URL and property settings. In GA4, this is now done in data streams. You'll also notice that app and website streams are now combined as one property. The admin section can be found here at the bottom sidebar. From the Account Access Management tab, you can add users and control access level. To add someone to the account, simply enter their email address, then select the level of control you want them to have. We recommend having at least 2 individuals at the admin level. Now we'll move on to adjusting what data comes in. You'll see that users will use data filters and customizations at the property level. One common customization is to exclude certain IP addresses. For example, a business might want to include visitor traffic only instead of counting the employees who work there and regularly access the site. To do this, you would go to Data Streams, then select the property you want to edit. From here, you would select Configure Tag Settings and then Define Internal Traffic. Hit Create. You now have the option to create a filter that will exclude all traffic from specified IP addresses. Once created, you will have the option to toggle the filter from testing to active. It is imperative that you test your filter before setting it to active. With more questions on this, feel free to contact us and we can help you further. We highly recommend linking other Google product accounts to analytics. That's because this will give you the ability to interpret all of your digital efforts in one platform and understand how they work cohesively together to achieve your business goals. To do so, visit the main admin page of your GA4 account. At the end of the property list, find the product linking section and follow each product's instructions to connect it. Here, you can also export data. In GA4, you can now do so through BigQuery for free. If you're interested in setting that up, reach out to us today and we'd be happy to help. Here is also where you'll find configuration options, including events, conversions, audiences, and custom dimensions or metrics. Events track specific user actions like clicks, downloads, or page views. Conversions are desired end goal events you want your users to take. Often this is purchases or submitted contact forms. Audiences are defined groups of traffic that share characteristics or behavioral patterns unique to your business. These groups help to inform your marketing tactics and overall user journey. Thanks for watching part 1 of our GA4 tutorial series. We'll see you in the next video to cover reports.